say too much. They criminal-minded. When you see me, you see light off the precious diamond. It comes with time and nigga keep on shining. Can't say too much around those that say too much. They criminal-minded. When you see me, you see light off the precious diamond. It comes with time and nigga keep on shining. Before the truth can't set you free, you need to recognize which lie is holding you hostage. Connect, drop the bricks on me. I split up the pies, now bitches keep sucking my sausage. Pussy come shower sweet, cause once every month they release Chinese red sauces. There's two types of tired, one that requires sleep, one that requires peace. When I drop, get inspired. Truth is you can't be me. Go back to 21 Jump Street. Hustlers I admired. Cool J, I'm in too deep. Clap back if you're dissing me. Can't par with the geeks. I'd rather make bucks with the Greeks. Point guarding it to Fred Van Vliet. Don't sweat the technique. I'm Zeus with the lyrical physique. Can't cut off my winning streak. Can't say too much around those that say too much. They criminal-minded. When you see me, you see light off the precious diamond. It comes with time and nigga keep on shining. Can't say too much around those that say too much. They criminal-minded. When you see me, you see light off the precious diamond. It comes with time and nigga keep on shining. My ideal for help from above is a sniper on the roof. Press these niggas go poof. Group home niggas in the streets living proof. Kick me out the house, baby mama got the blues. My brother said fuck it, laws are made for the goose. The people that betray you is the one who play the flute, but he who pays the piper is the one who calls the tune. 90s in a hoopty, young living loopy. Bamboo earrings, fly bitches wearing juicy. Tracksuit, all pink, character is Snoopy. Still Poppy hit that. After 9 months we go halves on a Kit Kat. Bitch turned stupid, now her future getting bitch slapped. Wipe my ass with her own loofah, you can keep that. Middle finger, eat that. Take you back, cheat back. Hang you on a meat rack. Let's bring the hook back. Can't say too much around those that say too much. They criminal-minded. When you see me, you see light off the precious diamond. It comes with time and nigga keep on shining. Can't say too much around those that say too much. They criminal-minded. When you see me, you see light off the precious diamond. It comes with time and nigga keep on shining. Can't fuck with this shit, nigga. Wyze.
Look, we moving pieces round and I ain't talking plain chess. Until they hear us coast to coast, ain't got no time for rest. I hear they little chitter chatter, think that make me vex. I'm fucking wifey on the daily, I ain't never stressed. I've been a roller, making quarters out of every corner. I'm putting work until we see them $1 million orders. Ain't nothing stopping us like cars without a driver, so it's time to raise the bar up even higher. Who needs a banquet? Who needs a bank? I got a sneaker box. I got that fire, hear it coming out your speaker box. I know they liars, everything they ever talked about was fabricated. Storytellers got one hell of an imagination. All they sound is saturated. Shorty staring fascinated. Wonder got a bachelor's in the hustle, dog. I graduated. Now it's all congratulations. Clapping at they foolery. I'm schooling niggas like I'm tutoring. Ain't nothing new to me.
Nefertiti heads on cables, rock designer labels, stay twisting Anna Green Gables. And Jemima Ho likes to lick off my maple syrup. She knows Buttercup got a chirp, got the will to make banks without relying on fill up. Mr. Big Shot, call me Chauncey Billups. It's easy to see faults in others, but difficult to see your own. I miss my son, so I tear up. Had to reset, can't be playing with the chia pet. She likes to hump around, wind up at the soca fete. Always needs help when the bills calling to collect. What a series of unfortunate events. Niggas share they 2 cents with no common sense. No laces in my sneaker box, just a bag of white chalks. Clean as my running shoes, never see my ankle sacks. Never about the mix up, these fools gotta fix up now.
The flicker rocker, wicked sneaker rocker footwear. Strike me out, guard, stacking up joints, rack 'em like Foot Locker. flicker rocker, wicked sneaker rocker, footwear. Strike me out, guard, stacking up joints, rack 'em like Foot Locker.
The biblical injunction of Acts 17:26 reminds us that he created of one blood all nations of men that dwell on the face of the earth. I was most interested in brotherhood within his own race, because if Negroes are created in God's image and Negroes are black, then God must in some sense be black. Whatsoever education I acquired out of their sacrifice of over 300 years, I shall use for the salvation of the 400 million black people of the world. And the day when I forsake my people, may God Almighty say there shall be no more life for you.
Rock bottom will teach you lessons, mountaintops never will. I'm Troy with the shield. Niggas try to knock off my Achilles heel. Blunts what I'm smoking while I'm high behind the wheel. Power to the people, Kaepernick had to kneel. Malcolm had a gun while Martin gave you chills. When he tell the truth, you don't need a good memory. Walking on the yellow brick road, no bad energy. Can't be a scarecrow hoe without enemies. Been bagging peaches and cream, committing felonies. Don't feel guilty for doing what's best for you, and what's best for me is gin mixed with Mountain Dew. A key a dope, a couple dollars will get me through. Stay afloat, what the fuck am I supposed to do? Lost hope, niggas tie themselves with a rope. Playing Russian roulette, often flake with the notes. And my approach so subtle it's cheers and toast. Around the table like a mafia don on cable, with Colombian coke in my Maxwell house.
Yeah. I'ma cheers to a few, call me Hefner the Hugh, a playboy. Niggas stink, call him Pepe Le Pew, a dope boy. Unlike the rest, playing chess for checks. Pitching better than the Mets, bench pressing my sex. Louis bags on the steps, I'm better than the best. I'm flyer than a Superman, flying over jets. You can get it while you rest. Look, I ain't playing no games. You niggas lames, pillow talking my name. In the fast lane, bad dame, talking my slang. For the cash main, hollow tips attack your brain. I'm too legit, never quit. Bird stashing a wick, we moving sick. So who the fuck is you with? So we gon' do this for the culture, dodging vultures. 100 miles an hour, catch a nigga on a poster. So we gon' do this for the culture, dodging vultures. 100 miles an hour, catch a nigga on a poster. Wonder.
Sometimes you gotta fall back to get a better view. Frames are playboy, see me like Hefner Hugh. She dropping hints, but I never picked up the clues. Life was tense, living in a picket fence. Had to wake up, stock up my dividends. Had to Jacob, platinum the best of gems. Blood diamonds, make you wanna kill a friend and rob them. They creep slow like a slow possum. I got no excuses, I just show results. As long as I'm living, as long as I got a pulse. Tie my lace up, 42 Balenciagas. Lift the hate up, no limits for Silk the Shaka. Get your weight up, Jameson chase up. Doubles at the bar, find a bitch you wanna lay up. Going corner pockets, they all pool players. Layer cake haters keep asking me favors. Excuses or results. Some talk a good game, but treat it as a joke. You reap what you sow. Never on the come up, but you swear you know the most. Look yourself in the mirror, it gon' tell you what I know. Excuses or results. Some talk a good game, but treat it as a joke. You reap what you sow. Never on the come up, but you swear you know the most. Look yourself in the mirror, it gon' tell you what I know. They love me not. They scheme and plot, boycott this cold slang I got. So I sit back, relax, keep sipping scotch. And them hoes I flock, treating me like casino slots. On some dumb shit, Jordan Belfort on yachts. Sea-doos with the Hebrews have Jesus thoughts. Sniff lines off our ass in a sleek resort. I got 5, we can play full court. Sham guard crossover, but I can't cross the border. Tryna pay my way in, but you call it payola. Actors in the game, they all a bunch of Ray Liotas. And bitches come and go, I kick them straight off my sofa. I'm tired of singing Johnny Gill, my, but the bitch turned Pinocchio with lies. Karma hits different when you do good people wrong. Now I'm back on track, you suckers carry on. Excuses or results. Some talk a good game, but treat it as a joke. You reap what you sow. Never on the come up, but you swear you know the most. Look yourself in the mirror, it gon' tell you what I know. Excuses or results. Some talk a good game, but treat it as a joke. You reap what you sow. Never on the come up, but you swear you know the most. Look yourself in the mirror, it gon' tell you what I know. An acquired taste. Pussy niggas wanna take my place. Take my connect and them plugs I make. Middle finger up to them dudes, I'm straight. I ain't tryna hear that tough talk, is fake. I shell Tony, I'm a tiger, I'm great. I schoolie DU with the fashion too. I might check 1-2 with this Danguard Ace. Watch them niggas that's close to you, cause one might be an Eric Holder in your crew, waiting for the right time to smoke you too. They say never trust a nigga with the side eye view. Ain't no trophies for being a real one. Turn your back and they might just steal one. A couple stabs, who's taking tabs? Not me, nigga, I'm the one who's laughing last. I keep coming for old boy, the poor boy. Tie him up, throw him in the back of an envoy. The road to hell is paved with good intentions. Check the quote, it's tight as hair extensions. Manipulate my mind one time. Got my head jumping hurdles like the goal was mine. No medals, no ribbons, just shit from the pigeon. When you clap at the coop, the birds fly off different. Such an acquired taste. Pussy niggas wanna take my place. Take my connect and them plugs I make. Middle finger up to them dudes, I'm straight. I ain't tryna hear that tough talk, is fake. I shell Tony, I'm a tiger, I'm great. I schoolie DU with the fashion too. I might check 1-2 with this Danguard Ace. Wallaby Clark Kent, super with the pen. Fuck a list and this dick riding ship top 10. You wasn't with me in the gym, bench pressing these ends. My rhymes are liquid, Excalibur, creme de la creme. Plot to catch you close range, caught back and aim. Enemies stay the same, it's your friends that changed. Can't dwell on the past, cause the past is the feather in my cap. Moving forward, never moonwalking back. Michael Jack with the glitter glove. X got some bitter love. Find a new nigga every Sunday at the Bible Club. Basic instructions before leaving Earth. Break it down with these alphabets, I'm gaudy with the verse. So advanced, you ain't about the life playing with the bands. You're just down to blow trumpets. Bunch of different men, such an acquired taste. Pussy niggas wanna take my place. Take my connect and them plugs I make. Middle finger up to them dudes, I'm straight. I ain't tryna hear that talk. tough talk is fake. I still Tony, I'm a tiger, I'm great. I schoolie DU with the fashion too. I might check 1-2 with this Danguard Ace.
Anyway, one big up the man inside yo, start using these songs. All the friends want big up my life. All some of the selects are using youth. All that tune reach out to all man and man of the house. Who come here with them girl. See? All foreign and the house just go and launch. So the meantime, listen.
Do a hit, click click, throw out the blick. Hope that the charges don't stick. I ain't tryna be in shackles on ankles, neck and wrist. Hope that the charges don't stick. Your friend could be a rat, no cap, cause he flapping them lips. Hope that the charges don't stick. If wifey knew I fucked another bitch, she'll cut off my dick. Hope that the charges don't stick. If there's a highway to hell, but a stairway to heaven, If there's a highway to hell, but a stairway to heaven, you leave me no choice, my right hand chose the weapon. Struggled so I bubbled, had a life of Led Zeppelin. Both have the same approach, both true confessions. Niggas try to fuck with me, blocking my blessings. Can't block what you can't see, my spirit has essence. Build with the wizards, sleep with the lizards. Cut you off, chances are you handed me the scissors. When a man comes, he comes to his senses. Cause the bitch like Faggle Rock put me to the exit. Matlock cases, trapped in 2 places. Security know me on a first name basis. Trust you never, my squad brings terror. I lean back thinking about my trial and error. Crosses, crutches and caskets, death and that's it. For now let me smell my 2 lips. Do a hit, click click, throw out the blick. Hope that the charges don't stick. I ain't tryna be in shackles on ankles, neck and wrist. Hope that the charges don't stick. Your friend could be a rat, no cap, cause he flapping them lips. Hope that the charges don't stick. If wifey knew I fucked another bitch, she'll cut off my dick. Yeah, hope that the charges don't stick. Everything you want is on the other side of fear, but he ain't tryna hear what I'm kicking in his ear. He don't wanna hustle, he just rather be a square. L7 went to heaven, I've been stuck in hell for years. Lethal with the weapon, chipping cane is my profession. Ain't no half stepping, yeah, my foes is well aware. Baby mama cheating cause the dick was never there. Still a nigga on the run, eating, bow and say a prayer. Kick me when I'm down, been walking with a frown. Gotta ask yourself why, what I did, what's the purpose? Don't blame the clown for acting like a clown. Gotta ask yourself why you keep going to the circus. Cut you like Shinobi, they some one-trick ponies. Nigga leave the gun, just take the cannoli. Poppy on the run, but he blind, deaf and dumb. Beating off the same drum, now pay me what you owe me. Do a hit, click click, throw out the blick. Hope that the charges don't stick. I ain't tryna be in shackles on ankles, neck and wrist. Hope that the charges don't stick. Your friend could be a rat, no cap, cause he flapping them lips. Hope that the charges don't stick. If wifey knew I fucked another bitch, she'll cut off my dick. Hope that the charges don't stick. Hope that the charges don't stick. Yeah. Ramsey with the kitchenware. Soda and water is playing truth or dare. The first lick have you on trips with souvenirs. Syringe and a spoon, tons of silverware. Flick a bit, now the crack hold a junkie hostage. 4 paper and pipes, the streets hoard a garbage. Whip it, chop it, make 7 off of 2 flips. That's a quarter, my first cell playing goldfish. Sniff, don't snitch, just plead the fifth. Can't beat the Kachi with 6-9s playing Liberace. You come and copy, I spot niggas that spot a spotty. If one gets pinched, the other might be probably. You talk a good one, fella, but your moves are sloppy. I got my groove back, Stella, all you get is salami. No regrets, no sweat, I got my baby boy. I got my daughter, she 20, she making chips ahoy. Nigga,
it's more than music, more than just the music. Study those who move it and the best to ever do it. Student of the game and now I give them the exclusive. I'm the truest. Double barrel shotty, they salute. It's more than music, more than just the music. Study those who move it and the best to ever do it. Student of the game and now I give them the exclusive. I'm the truest. Double barrel shotty, they salute.
classic raw rolling papers. Gorilla glue, Bismarcky catch the vapors. Beatboxing my bull, black tint, rockin' wafers. Rock more than a few, priced up, bezel blades sharpens my half a moon. The world's greatest, soon the world's famous. Frenemies behind my back remain nameless. Got a few niggas that will bang off the stainless. Grandizer nigga echoes down through the ages. Got 2 Dres for brothers, teaching me the new wave. Cause my way is hitting the highway on a fool's day. Tell a bitch I love her when I'm hitting it the rude way. Jordan C stay on repeat, bust nuts in the car seats. Fucking down rent to Hyundais, nigga. I'm telling you the truth, no lying in the booth. Who cares about the rapping, just give me the loot.
It's more than music, more than just the music. Study those who move it and the best to ever do it. Student of the game and now I give them the exclusive. I'm the truest. Double barrel shotty, they salute. It's more than music, more than just the music. Study those who move it and the best to ever do it. Student of the game and now I give them the exclusive. I'm the truest. Double barrel shotty, they salute.
Is easy to lose, can't be wasting time. Black people show up late, their excuses is Caribbean time. I slang coconut lines, anything familiar turn foreign in a dime. Watch your step, homie, don't get blown up from the mines. A meal without wine is like a day without sunshine. I'm so in my prime like my beans refried. Made it, lost it, came back, flipped it. Niggas do the ratting when they should be speaking crickets. Orange is the new black, so is my new get. 9 to be exact, have Milano wearing Gap. Niggas can't jack 'em, I chase 'em down the court like I'm Pascal Siakam. Try it, make it happen, you ain't trying to get clapped. The blues of Eric Clapton, niggas getting shot up every day just for nothing. If transporting dope is Armando's thing, on the way to the top to be a cartel king. Stay heavy on the wrist, Q-Blink, my ice ring. Drama we bring, and that's a small thing. Hanging up my jersey, no more one-night flings. My mind on my money and my yay is bling. I stay heavy on the wrist, Q-Blink, my ice ring. Drama we bring, and that's a small thing. The day you plant the seed, it's not the same day you eat the fruit. These blind mice wanna eat my cheese. See how they run gun when I load and shoot. This new arrival is karma loop. When the karma loops hits you harder than a combat boot. Now Pappy out the window shooting nothing but a pencil and a little kid holding some crazy glue. A gun is like a woman, it's all about how you hold her. Lesson over, wiping off your shoulder. Now you on a killing spree, devil's never sober. Mr. Mark, you kidding me, the pins were never bowlers. Catch you at the bowling alley posing with the posers. Aiming at your head so I know that it's over. Never getting up, just a ghost looking over. Never went to high school, never had diplomas. Mom was always proud even though we did corruption. Niggas getting shot up every day just for nothing. If transporting dope is a Mondo's thing, on the way to the top to be a cartel king. Stay heavy on the wrist, Cube Link, my ice ring. Drama we bring, and that's a small thing. Hanging up my jersey, no more one night flings. My mind on my money and my yay is bling. I stay heavy on the wrist, Cube Link, my ice ring. Drama we bring, and that's a small thing.